Hi everyone, welcome to devfast code track. Learn fast, grow smart. Today we will cover what is SQL, compare SQL and NoSQL, install SQL Server Management Studio and write few commands like create, select and insert. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, mainly used to store, retrieve and manage data. This is your first example. The simple query retrieve all data from the customer table. Let's compare SQL and NoSQL. SQL uses tables and best used for structured data like financial systems or employee records. NoSQL uses JSON, best for flexible unstructured data like social media content. This is the example for SQL and NoSQL. Before writing queries, we need to install SQL Server Management Studio. Go to Microsoft official website and download SQL Server Management Studio. Then install SQL Server Management Studio, open SQL Server Management Studio, connect to the database and test your connection. Now that your setup is ready, let's create our first table and view data. To create a table, we use create table statement, and to retrieve data, we use select all from statement. So create table, store your structure, select retrieve your data. Now let's insert data to our student table. This is the command we use to insert data. Now we can use select all from students to retrieve inserted data. So this is the result. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. devfast code track. Learn fast, grow smart.